Hey everybody, just got a quick little video here. I'm out in my garage. I'm gonna change out the garage door seal. Here's the one I'm putting in. I don't know, just ordered off Amazon. I'll see if I can get the link for it and put it in the description. Seems like a pretty good quality thing. That's what it's gonna look like. So it's gonna have two little T's there that slide into the garage door, and I'll show you that here now. So I got my old one that's out. Let's see if we can get on this side here, hopefully. So you can see there's the two channels. You just gotta kind of bend it around and slide it down. So here's what it looks like when it comes out of the package. It's got it on the floor right now. So it's just flat right there. Then you bend it over and kind of make your T there. So I don't think it'll be too difficult of a job, but you just kind of have to have your garage door up in a spot where you can work on it. Let's see here. Get the one end started. Not really easy to do with one hand, but alright, so yeah, I will get this started and kind of start working my way down. Some of the other videos I saw, they say two people is much easier to do this with, which probably would be, but my fiance is out of the state right now, so she's not going to help me. So I will just get this done, and I don't think it'll be too big of a deal, but I will turn the camera back on either when I get it done or if I notice something that'll help. So I'll be right back. Alright, I got the whole thing pushed in. I mean, it didn't even take me 5 minutes, I'd say. I was able to push it just 3/4 away just from this end. Then it started binding up. So what I did was I kind of went from this end back to the other end. And I'd pull from that end a little bit, come back over here, kind of take my hand and U this up a bit, get it ready. And then I kind of have the rest of the slack just held up here by these couple of random pieces of rod I got sitting around. Just so it's not pulling back down on it. Then I'd go down there, pull it, and I mean that went pretty good. I did that 2, maybe 3 times and I got it the rest of the way. So now I'm just going to chop it off. I'm going to chop it off long and then close the garage door, and I'll be able to trim it afterward because I just want to make sure it's going to cover the whole way. Because the old one I had didn't cover the whole garage door. It was like 6 inches short. So I will do that quick and then just be back to wrap. Alright everybody, just wanted to finish this back up. I got the seals all installed, done, got the garage door back in the ground here. I have it hanging out on each side about 1 inch is where I ended up cutting it off on either side. That seems like it fits as snug as it possibly can up to the rail. Otherwise, if you leave it out more than that, it's going to start catching on the rail as the garage door goes up and down. So like I said, I just wanted to finish this up. The whole job probably took me, I don't know, 10, maybe 15 minutes total. And that's with kind of trying to record parts of it here with my phone. I did do it alone, wasn't too difficult. And like I said, I will put a link down below for the one that I used. I got it off Amazon. Wasn't overly expensive. I can't remember how much I paid for it, but like I said, I'll put a link down below. It seems like a good quality seal. You say it does seal up the bottom of the garage door a lot better. It's nice and tight on the bottom. You can't see underneath it at all. So I think that'll work out pretty good. So thanks everybody for watching. If you like these, check out some of my other videos. And please like them. If you have any questions, comment down below and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.